Hey guys, and welcome back to Pokemon Storm Silver Nuzlocke. Last episode we came here to Azalea Town, and in today's episode we are going to be taking on the gym. But before we do that, let me show you guys the level ups. So we have Batgirl at level 19, Leonardo at level 13, Konoha at level 18, Akai at level 16, Lance at level 18, and Zappy at level 18. Also, as you can see, we have a beautiful Toxic has evolved into the majestic Compasskin. We also learned Peck and Double Kick as per usual. Also, we have a special attack boosting nature. I don't know if it's good for Blaziken because I always choose Trico because Sceptile is awesome, you know. I'm sorry Torchic and Mudkip, I rarely choose them. Anyways, in today's episode, we're going to be taking on the Azalea Town Pokemon Gym, taking on to see the Bugsy, the walking bug Pokemon encyclopedia. That's a really unique title. Anyways, this is my favorite gym because the theme of it, I love it. So let's go talk to this guy. Yo, Challenger, Bugsy made this gym. It's a huge nest of bug-type Pokemon. Bugsy's young, but he's a master of bug Pokemon. It's going to be tough without my advice. Let's see. Bug Pokemon don't like fire. Flying moves are super effective too. It's a good thing that we have both of them, you know, Akai and Batgirl. So as you can see, I love this gym. It's like spiders going by stick. I don't know how do I explain it. There are many types of game like this, but I love it. And also I gave Batgirl the experience share because I want her to evolve before we take on Bugsy, because we are level 19 right now, and I'm pretty sure we get gold battle level 22. Also, this guy's name is Al, Bug Catcher Al. Wow, if you guys don't understand that, it's actually FMAB, Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood reference, I think. Cause oh my god, that has to be it's a really awesome anime. If you guys haven't watched it, go check it out. Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. It's really awesome. It's really emotional, and you will love it. Okay, next is a Pineco. Hopefully this thing doesn't have self-destruct because most of the Pinecos do have self-destruct, and they don't want to lose Batgirl because they're going to definitely lose, you know. And take down. That's okay. That I thought they'll do much more, but that didn't do too much. That's a good thing, you know. Batgirl has some really good defenses, and I love it. Okay, let's go, Batgirl. Get the experience. Next is a Cricketune. Whoa! I love this guy's music, you know. Oh, so soothing. Like, it's like, how did they make that tune? Like, bro, you guys are awesome, Game Freak. Oh, that music. Every time I hear it, it just gives me the shivers. I don't know why. It's so like ticklish, you guess. Also, that wing attack didn't KO it. Oh, of course, he went for a growl. Duh! I'm sometimes dumb. Okay, wing attack. Let's take down this Cricketune. Give me the music. That music, I can never get hold of it. And Batgirl. Oh man, just a little bow. You proved how tough you are. Yeah, I am tough, bro. Okay, let's go back to the start. And by the looks of it, I think it is the first thing that takes us progress, you know, that takes us forward. So I'm pretty sure this is the stick that takes us forward. Was I right? Yes, I was right. That's awesome. That's a good sign, you know. Whenever I'm right at some stuff, that means we are hopefully going to it's going at the good direction, you know. So I'm going to heal up Batgirl because we need the full HP. Let's take on this guy. Bug Pokemon evolve young, so they get stronger that much faster. There are a few exceptions like Scyther. Scyther doesn't evolve until you give it the metal coat. And also Paris also evolves pretty late. I'm pretty sure it's level 23 or something like that. I don't know. Most of the bug Pokemon are strong when they evolve late. That's a fact, okay? Think of all the bug Pokemon that evolve late. I can't think of anything right now. Example, yeah, take Sewaddle, Swadloon, yeah, Sewaddle, Swadloon, Leavanny. That's like a bug and grass type. They evolve pretty late, and it's really strong, okay? Also, FX Spore, bro. Not fun, okay? Also, I'm gonna be speeding up some of these battles, you know, when they're annoying me. Oh god. That was a really strong move. Okay, Akai. Should I risk Akai? I don't know. It's Akai's first battle. Let's go, Akai. Let's do it, Compasskin. Hopefully this guy doesn't have... Oh god. Thunder Punch. Batgirl would have died. Ha ha. Oh god. Who should I go for? I guess Zappy is the only one who can take on the Thunder Punch. And any of these moves this guy can go for. Let's see what else he has. Mach Punch. You have like all the punching moves. You have Mach Punch, Dizzy Punch, Thunder Punch. What else will you have? Bullet Punch? Oh god, please don't. Let's go. Shockwave. Boom. Please do a turn. Yeah. This thing is a flying type. Ice Punch. Oh god. Dude. But I'm pretty sure you're faster and Shockwave never misses, so that's a good thing. But just think of the possibility. What if he went for Thunder Punch or Ice Punch and Bad Girl or Zubat? We would have just died. Oh god, that was a really close battle, you know. Oh my god. Hopefully Bugsy doesn't have freaking all these Pokemons. Also next is a Nincada. All my mans are pretty weak up. So Lance, you have Dragon Rage. Let's kill him. Let's go, Lance. Woohoo! Also, I thought of teaching Lance Water Pulse. So let me know if you guys think it'll be a good idea because we need some real attacking moves. You know, for now we only have Dragon Rage and Twister just doing some damage. So I want some really good moves on Lance. He doesn't learn really good moves until later on. So I don't know what should I do. So let me know, what do you guys think of the move set we have on Lance. Also, this guy is going for the acupuncture, raising the accuracy, but sucks for you, you're dead. Dragon Rage is really strong. I'm sorry. I'm really strong. Sorry, bro. Whoa! You have more than 40 HP, huh? Neat. But sucks that you're gonna die. The power of speeding up never gets old. Yeah. Wait a sec. Why didn't Bad Girl gain level or XP? Didn't I give him the experience share? Oh my god, I totally didn't give him. Why? Oh my god, Bad Girl should have got a ton of experience for that one. Oh my god, now I'm really scared. Will Bad Girl evolve before we take on Bugsy? Because I'm pretty sure there are only 2 more trainers. One being a doubles battle and another being a solo trainer. So, okay. I don't know. It's going to be risky, guys. Also, come on. Can we make it a little bit quick? I don't know. This game is really slow. Maybe the DS, I don't know. Or the emulator. I don't know what's the problem. It's kind of slow without speeding up, Okay, here we have this maze. So if we don't take out the blue, we'll go to the twins. So let's go there, We want to take on all the trainers, absolutely. So let's go take on these twins. I'm pretty sure they're twins. Are they other sisters? I don't know. They look similar, okay? They like actually some guy copied the sprite and just pasted it to the side. Hey, are you challenging the leader? No way. If you insist, we'll be your opponents. Sure, Mimi and Amy, I believe. That's a really nice name for twins. Of course they are twins. Yeah, why not? Also, they're going to have Illumise and Volbeat. And we have Leonardo. Oh, God. We have Leonardo up second. Okay, you know what? I'm actually going to switch both of them because I'm pretty sure Volbeat is, bug type and electric. So we can get our butts kicked. So Zappy and Lance. Yep, they both can hopefully resist some of these attacks. Let's go, Zappy! I should have took care of my teammates, before taking on these challenges because I'm so dumb. Look at that, Thunder Shock. Wait, even Illumise has Thunder Shock? Okay, I thought only Volbeat was bug and electric. Huh, the more you know. Okay, let's take care of Volbeat first because this guy looks much more scarier. So Dragon Rage, can it kill him? Quick Attack, neat. Okay, another Quick Attack, bro. I understand you guys are twins, so it doesn't mean that you have to go for the same move your partner goes, okay? That's dumb. Okay, Dragon Rage, kill this guy, please. Oh my god. Okay, at least we have Quick Attack, that's a good thing. I was like, oh, please kill him, but nope. Too late, just that 1 HP, bro. Okay, with that, Volbeat is dead. Nice, Bad Girl getting those XP, nice. Okay, everyone gains some XP. Quick Attack again. Are you kidding me? Quick Attack? Why? Why would you go for Quick Attack, bro? Go for something strong. Dragon Rage is the power that stalks. Huh. Okay. Hopefully this thing doesn't have some really strong moves, please. Okay, Dragon Rage, kill off the Illumise. Illumise. Like some of these Pokemon pronunciations like Dialga, Groudon, Kyogre, like Pokemon rap. Groudon, Kyogre. Like some of these pronunciation are really confusing, you know. Like how do you say that? Is it Illumise or Illumise? I always say Illumise because it kind of makes it more cute, I guess. So anyways, bad girl, when will you evolve? Please evolve before we take on Bugsy, please. Oh, Beautifly. A reminder that I totally killed my Spikes the Silcoon. Nice trick game. Thanks for emotionally weakening me. Not good, okay? I am really sensitive. And seeing a Beautifly that I could have had makes me cry. You know what? I'm going to speed up some of these battles, cause I just want to kill it. Thank you. Yay, bad girl wants to learn Confuse Ray. Yeah, we can confuse the hell out of everyone. Also, we are like one level away from evolving. Please can we gain the experience to evolve? That confusion did nothing. I'm sorry, bro. Okay, Dragon Rage, let's finish him. Shockwave, go. And that almost killed him. Oh my god. Confuse Ray on Zappy. Why? I don't know. Boom, you're dead. I'm sorry, bro. You're just that weak. And Lance grows the level. Nice. With that, we defeated twins Amy and Mimi. Oh goodness, I'm feeling a bit dizzy. Yeah, you better do. Let's get rid of that blue stringy. So that's gonna make our way over here to this red one. So that's going to give us to Bugsy. That's going to give access to Bugsy. But I don't want that, you know. I want to take on that bug catcher over there. So first, I think I screwed up the puzzle. So first I'm going to take that one. So when we'll take on the guy? Yeah, right now. Wait, what? No? Okay. So what if I take on this thing? Yes, now we can take on the bad guy. Okay, I'm going to heal up my mans. Like Zappy. Yeah, why not? Zappy could come in handy, okay? Because I'm pretty sure Bugsy has a Scyther. And Scythers are really strong. So hopefully Zappy can pull through and kill that Scyther. You slave all the Slowpoke? Phew, you're mighty. But all grown-up Pokemon are pretty tough too. Okay, bro. Let's take on Mr. Bugcatcher Josh with one Pokemon. Why? I want to evolve at level 20. Wow. Will that give us the experience required to evolve? Please say that gives us, please. Come on. Please make me evolve. Oh, come on, 600. Oh my god. You are kidding me. Like, over 2 battles, we can evolve. You know what, guys? I'm actually going to heal up my Pokemon. By that I mean I'm totally going to heal up and evolve my Bad Girl. Because Bad Girl, I'm really counting on Bad Girl to, you know, take on this gym. Because Bugsy, in the usual game itself, that guy is tough. And this is Storm Silver, which makes the game much more harder. So you never know what else that guy could have. And also Anthony from Smosh, stop calling me, bro. I talked to you yesterday. Don't talk to me again. Okay, we are here in Route 33. Hopefully I'm going to be doing some training over here. And, you know, hopefully making Bad Girl into the Majestic Golbat. Please. Oh, God. Raihan. There are Raihans over here. That's not good. Okay, anything else? You know, if this train takes too long, guys, I'll obviously skip it. Oh my god, the reminder that I had a Swablu and he was dead. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, I think the training will take a while, so I'll catch you guys back over here. Finally, what? Bad Girl is evolving. Oh my god. Just took 2 battles, guys. I took on 2 Krogans. Boom. Bad Girl is evolving. So bad luck. I wanted the evolution at the gym, but too bad we had to come outside. Anyways, we got Golbat. Hell yeah. Want to learn any new moves? Nope. No problem. Oh my god. Just look at this guy. Started to bite my butt. Oh, I'm gonna eat your butt. Oh. Okay, first things first, obviously I'm going to buy some potions because those could come in handy and save my life. So what do you need? I would like some super potions, obviously, because potions ain't cutting it nowadays, you know. But I'll obviously buy more potions also, you know, just for those little bit 20% of the HP. Potions are good. Thank you. Also, my man's wings is just glitching through the counter. Nice, Bad Girl, you're awesome. So let's go evolve. I mean, what did I say? Let's go heal up. Not evolve, we just evolved, okay? No more evolution until you become a Crobat. That is, you need happiness. So it's a good thing because I'm actually going to give my bad girl the Sooth Bell that we got the last episode, I think. I don't remember. This makes your Pokemon more friendlier and more nice to you. Also, I'm going to give the experience star to Akai because the next gym, hopefully we can beat this one. The next gym is actually Whitney, everyone's favorite gal with the milk tank. So hopefully Akai can, go some double kicks, boom, 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 and take on that freaking Whitney. You know what? I'm actually getting too ahead of myself. The first thing, we need to first defeat this gym. So also I went to the wrong panel. Crap. Why? Why, game? Sometimes, when I'm speeding through battles and usually through the game, my brain is also sped up and I don't think about anything. You know what? No problem. We made it to the Bugsy. So we have to go off this blue switch, go on off the red switch. It's easy. I like this gym. I like the theme. I think this is the theme that inspired X and Y's first gym. I don't know, Viola. I think that's the game, the girl name. So basically, you have to walk over spider webs and drop all the droplets of water. It's weird. Anyways, let's take on Bugsy. I'm Bugsy. I never lose when it comes to bug-type Pokemon. My research is going to make the authority on bug-type Pokemon. Let me demonstrate what I have learned from my studies. Here we go, guys. Versus Bugsy. Is he a boy or a girl? He's obviously a boy. Okay, let's put the debate to an end. He's obviously a dude, okay? Also, he's going to start up with a Butterfree at level 18. Okay, bad girl. Let's do it. Wing attack. Please, one-shot this thing. And oh my god, bad girl is a beast. Bad girl the beast returns, everyone. Yeah. And Akai has to gain some level. Hey, we grew to level 17. Next, Yanma. Yanma. Usually Yanma have a speed boost as well as ancient power, which is a rock type move. So I'm going to go for Zappy. Hopefully this guy might have a ancient power just as a precaution, Let's go for the shockwave. Come on. Detect. Seriously, bro. Detect. That's annoying. Oh my god. He landed another detect. That's kind of rare because you cannot use detect and protect in succession. That is, you cannot use them the turn right after. Anyway, shockwave. Boom. Please kill him. And booyah. Yanma's also dead. Whoa, this gym is gonna be a piece of cake. Hopefully I didn't jinx it. Okay? We will win this gym, guys. I have that confidence. So next is Beedrill. The grass and poison one. We don't have anyone else except Bad Girl. Yeah. Coming out with the Batmobile. Bad Girl. Yeah. Okay, let's go. We get the Beedrill at level 18. Okay, hopefully we can one-shot this thing as we did to the Butterfree. And booyah! Also, the Windows is not genuine message makes another cameo in today's episode. How awesome is that? I don't know, it sucks actually. Next is the Heracross, which is bug and fighting 2 times or 4 times weak to flying. So sucks for you, bro. I love Heracross, but I'm sorry, when you're in the opponent team, I have to kill you or defeat you or faint you, whatever. Okay? We gain some EXP. Akai grows to level 18. Awesome. Next is Scyther. The Pokemon I was really scared of. Scyther. Should I be for Bad Girl or Zappy? You know what? I'm actually going to stay on Bad Girl. Just as a precaution because Bad Girl is much more high level. Here we go. Scyther. I'm going to go for the Confuse Ray just as a precaution. Oh god. Swords Dance. That's scary. Okay, Confuse Ray. Good thing it has 100% in accuracy because just think what would have happened if we missed that. We would have been toast the next turn. Okay, let's go for the wing attack. Hopefully he hits himself, please. Come on. Nope. Wing attack. Crap. Oh god, Bad Girl, come on. Oh my god, the clutch. The clutch return, Bad Girl. Oh my god. You know what? I'm actually going to switch to Zappy. Even though we are low level, we can actually resist that wing attack, So let's go, Zappy. I'm going, it's confused. Hit yourself. Nope. Quick attack. That's going to do a ton because... Okay. You have Swords Dance, that's not good. I'm gonna heal up Zappy. I don't want to lose anyone, okay? Please. I don't want that heartbreaking moment again. Okay, Zappy, please. Hit yourself, bro. Just hit yourself for the damn time. Hit it, yes. And now I'm pretty... Oh, God. You have a berry. You have a damn berry. Oh, God. I'm obviously faster than him, but the problem is, will it one-shot? Will it kill him? I'm scared. Please kill him, because if don't, he's going to go for the potion. Yes! Yes, we took on the Scyther. We took down the Scyther. Oh, my God. Bad girl. My heart skipped a beat. Bad girl was about to be dead. Next is a pincer. Obviously bad girl can hope to handle it. First thing is first, I obviously have to heal up bad girl. Oh my god, the clutch. The 6 HP survival. How awesome is that? Even that's my last Pokemon. Bug Pokemon are tough. Obviously, you have Mold Breaker, bro. Seriously. Okay, Super Potion. Let's go. Yeah, save my bad girl. This guy could have like fighting type moves like Wild Throw, Seismic Toss. Oh god. Knock off. You knocked off my Soothe Bell. You douchebag, you're dead. How dare you knock off my Soothe Bell? Please kill him. Nope. Almost dead. Wild Throw. Okay. If we were actually normal flying, that would have hurt. But we are a poison flying. Hang in there, just a little more. Yep, you're gonna die. I'm sorry, bro. You did awesome, Bugsy. You almost took down Bad Girl. Just think what would have happened if Bad Girl didn't evolve. We would have died. I would have cried. Did that rhyme? That was awesome. And Bad Girl grows to level 23. That's my birthday. Nice. Also, Akai grows to level 19, which is also not my birthday. And that's the end of it. We got some cash. Thank you. Wow, you're amazing. You're expert on Pokemon. My research isn't complete yet. You win. Take this badge. With that, we got the Hive badge from Bugsy. Awesome. You know the benefits of the Hive badge? If you have it, Pokemon up to level 30 will obey you, even trained ones. You will use that move. Cut will be used. You can use outside also. Okay. We have got TM89. What could that be? I don't know. It contains U-turn. It lets you a Pokemon attack, then switches out to the next Pokemon of the party. Isn't that great? Maybe we can have a rematch. Cool. With that, we got the Bugsy number. Yeah, Bugsy's number. Bugsy-O. Bug the Pokemon are deep. There are mysteries to explore. Study your top choices. Whatever. I couldn't read that. Anyways, let's see who can learn U-turn. U-turn is basically like a wall switch. That after using attack, you can switch to your Pokemon. Who can learn it? Bad Girl. Nice. But I actually want to not teach it to Bad Girl because oh god. I forgot to freaking turn on the lever because I was so excited, you know. I want to go home, eat some waffles and pancakes and, you know, enjoy this victory because this was a really clutch battle. Bad Girl the Beast. I'm really glad we didn't catch a Gible in the cave because think what would have happened if we didn't catch our beautiful Zubat and we got a Gible. I mean, Gible is strong too, but we wouldn't have got the type advantage. We wouldn't have been able to take on Scyther. It was a really awesome time, you know. Also, Ralph, Wreck-It Ralph, stop calling me, okay? So, guys, the next episode, we are going to be going to the next place that is Alex Town, Axelia Town, Alex Forest. That's a forest name called Axel. I don't know how to pronounce it. So, guys, I will catch you next time. Goodbye. Finally, what?